that haunts you even in the privacy of your own bed. So you cannot say, for example, Lester. Okay, Lester cannot say, from where are you, Lester? Masbate. Lester is district rep of Masbate. Karon is married, but he has dangerous liaisons with other women, for example. So karon can Lester say, Ombudsman, nga nung investigate mo sa akong private life? You cannot because your incumbency, okay, also includes your private life. Because being in a public office is actually a privilege. Okay? So you cannot say, private life na nila ako, nga nang hindi pakialaman na ako mga dangerous liaisons. You cannot because even your private acts and dealings will affect your right to stay in public office. Okay? Norms of conduct, okay. Kana ko man diya class, no? It's a matter of belief. But let's go to professionalism. What if, for example, Kisa? Is Kisa here? Okay. Kisa from where?
Negros.
Negros, okay. Si Kisa, for example, is, let's say, nag-work siya sa government. Okay, karon, pero siya mali. Yeah. Kung ako pagin siya, she wears revealing clothes. Kung traffic yung kadaginutan ng tela. Okay, so karon, what happens is, a case for unprofessionalism was filed against her. Okay, she looks like unprofessional. She looks like a hooker, probably. Okay, so that, it's just an example. Okay. So now, what if Isa would say, okay, in other words, she really looks unprofessional. But can she be punished for unprofessionalism? She cannot. What's the reason? Because unprofessionalism in their class, the purpose there is actually to incentivize. It's not intended to punish her for unprofessionalism. So now you might say, so sir, okay relating about unprofessional. Not necessarily because, although you cannot be punished for unprofessionalism, you can be punished for the default offenses like conduct and becoming of a public officer, conduct inimical to public interest. Kanang buha class, these are default offenses which diha musulod ang imong acts or missions that might not be expressly defined by law. Kaya diba class, what did we say? Security of tenure actually means that you cannot be removed or suspended except for cause as may be provided by law. In other words, dapat na sa balaw ng sala. Kung wala, you are actually free. However, if the act or omission cannot fall under any of those enumerated offenses, it goes to the default offenses of conduct and becoming and conduct inimical to public interest. When you say conduct and becoming class, look pa sa group, dili bagay sa inyo. Diba? So, pananglit, sa mga abogado, even judges, diba? Did I tell you, katong nahin sa ka-judge, basically by the Supreme Court, reprimanded because ang niyang profile sa Facebook, topless siya, lalaki ha, nag-topless with tattoo. So yun ang Supreme Court nga, although it's your personal choice to ink your body, magpatattoo ka, no problem. But do not flaunt that in public because di bagay sa inyo mga judge. Di ba? So no, actually, yung ang judge ito, private setting man ko, hindi na ako sala kami, nigawas ang akong picture. But the Supreme Court said, there is no reasonable expectation of privacy from Facebook. Diba? There's another judge also, reprimanded to the Supreme Court. Di ba mo class ng sarap? Nagpa-picture siya, yung post sa Facebook, kunya off-shoulder. Kung saan ang off-shoulder ka ng usara shoulder? Ay, both. Off-shoulder siya. Ganun class. When I looked at the picture actually, it looks good on her. She's pretty. Bagay saya ha. But the Supreme Court said that is provocative. So she was actually reprimanded. In other words, that's what we're saying here. What we're saying here is, kanang conduct and becoming of a public officer, it becomes unbecoming until the court says so. So you're actually walking on eggshells. You don't know exactly who's employed and who's until the court says, bawal, it is bawal. Yes.
They broadcast it like on their social media, shaming those people.
About non-bishop.
Opinions about their about the way they're like funding their office.
Okay. Ano na class, no? Kanang mga criticisms against public office, so meaning sila mismo, taga-gobyerno.
Like they're being criticized by the public
And then
they get heated by the comments and they post and like really pinpoint those people.
Oh, that might be actionable. be actionable wrong. Kaya dapat, hindi ka musuko sa criticism. Maybe you can explain, but you cannot attack the person. If you attack the person, you're missing the point. When you're missing the point, that can be unbecoming conduct or conduct in public place. And that might also fall under unresponsiveness. Diba? Okay. Is that an actual case?
No,
It's reality.
Okay.
It's reality. Okay, see. So kato class ang unbecoming conduct. Take note. Ako class, personally, my only rule is this. Bagay ba? Eh kung hindi bagay, that's improper conduct. Okay, political neutrality, that's election law, never mind that. Okay, ganito sa simple living class. Okay, dapat daw, simple living ra ka sa government. In other words, class, what if si Marian? From where are you, Marian? Toledo. Okay, what if si Marian karon class works as a clerk, not to condescend, a clerk in the Bureau of Customs, okay, without any innuendo there, okay, Bureau of Customs clerk siya, earning probably 20,000 a month. But suddenly, class, ang yung lifestyle is, okay, she sends her children to exclusive schools, she has a fleet of cars, she has a mansion, she travels abroad probably thrice or 4 times a year. So now the question there is, how do you sustain your lifestyle? 20,000 a month. In other words, class, her lifestyle and properties is manifestly disproportionate to her local income to the government. And if that happens, that becomes unexplained wealth. Now, pag unexplained wealth siya, class, it can be subject to future proceedings in favor of the government because the presumption is that is still gotten. Okay, that is the presumption, still gotten. So it can be prohibited in favor of the government. But what if Marian would say, nakadaw mo kugloto? Then she can explain. What if Marian would say, my husband is into business, he's so successful? Then she can explain. Or better yet, she says, my parents died, they left behind their vast empire, probably. Okay? So she can explain. In other words, class, unexplained wealth. You only need to explain, otherwise, if you cannot explain, the presumption is that is illegal. So that will be subject to future proceedings of the government. But what if, for example, si Phoebe? Phoebe's here. What if Phoebe says, okay, nga na mo lifestyle, pareha ni Marian. Pero, like Phoebe, for example, goes to the office in signature bags, in a Ferrari, for example, mahalon ka siya. Okay, so kanang plus, what if Phoebe would say, what's your problem? Dato naman ko daan. Naara ko din sa gobyerno naglingaw-lingaw ako. Can that be acceptable explanation? Not necessarily, because according to Bernas, if you are independently wealthy, meaning that na kadaan prior to the government service, do not flaunt your wealth. Because it might create an appearance that it is ill-gotten, and what do we say in government class, even judges, avoid the appearance of impropriety and also the appearance of impropriety. Okay. Exactly right, class. Actually, kasagaran nila ginuto na, are you familiar with lifestyle check? The lifestyle check as ang goodsman, ang kasagaran nila mas subject to lifestyle check is because either the spouse or the children flaunt on social media. Diba? I'm not saying the wife, let's be politically correct, but the spouse, okay? Ang hampog social media, etc., etc., the children, then it will spark the curiosity of the goodsman and say, kuya, ako mo running a lifestyle. Hindi pila rin sweldo sa government. Diba? So you can be subject to lifestyle check. Okay. But take note sa the operative fact there, not operative fact, the threshold there is manifestly disproportionate. So for example, si Mills, any chance you know Noel Libres? Attorney Noel Libres. You know? Okay. Anyway, okay. Si Mills, for example, class, what was my example?
Disproportionate.
Okay, si Mills, for example, okay, nag-amortize siya BMW. Pero nag-BMW yung amortization niya class, for 5 years, 40,000 a month. But now her salary is only 50,000. So now you might want to say, hindi mo kaya this. Asa magkag-sobra, asa man mo, how do you sustain that amortization? But what it means would say, tagama ko sa akong parents 5,000 a month. pagkatiyan she would say, gutom na ba kayo ko? Nagpuasa ko para magkabihan na mo yun. Hindi na kumukao, hindi na mag-shopping, etc. So that one's class, pwede, kaya niya, di ba? That is not manifestly disproportion. Pwede. Medyo tupong-tupong lang, pwede lang siya. Di ba, no? But how do you gauge that? For example, si Sean, are you from Davao, Sean? From Cebu City lang. What if Sean is district rep of Cebu City? Pag-pagkikitiyan siya na kada class. Pero if you join the government in 30 days time, you must submit your salary. Statement of asset, liability, net worth. How much are you when you join the government? What if Sean would say 500,000 siya ka? But a year after, the 500,000 becomes 50 million. So question, asa kita ng 50 million? 1 year pa lang ng 50 million dahil. Right? So that can be subject to lifestyle check. In other words, class, we're talking about the basis. Okay? How much will you join the government? Diba? Until you retire. Si Pinoy class, Pinoy Aquino, okay? When he joined the government until he stepped down as president, ang niyang salin pare-pareho. Oh. Diba? Now he's dead. Okay. What else? Okay. So take note class, I like this topic and it's very well. Chances are it may come out in the exam. And also class, naput quick twist sa atong exam. Diba? 10 questions, you choose 8 out of 10. There might be a question that will say times 2.
Ay, hala.
So you might be constrained to choose that for the bonus, diba? Pero that will be a snake pit if you do the toughest part of the exam. Okay? So, ano lang yung bono? Super strong. Okay? Ganito, duties of public officers and employees at frontier letters and requests. Anyone class na nakasuway ng suwat sa government, did you write a letter to the government? Okay. Pananin po suwat sa government sa in 15 days, dapat po government. Okay, what if for example si Lucy, where's Lucy? Not here? Okay, actually malipay ko mag-check na kung ni Lucy kay wag last na siya. Kumana ang lock. Okay, who is here? Maria for example. Okay, Maria is nangayos siya voter certificate para sa iyong mom sa Kumalat. So karon in 15 days, dapat yung matubag. But the question there is, do we need to grant the request in 15 days? Not necessarily. All we need to do is feedback. So what if Maria will say that, okay Maria, we cannot grant your request because you must provide also the special power of attorney. So kana, in 15 days, the period is interrupted. In other words, again, we are not constrained to grant the request, we only need to answer. Aron do not kay feedback na madawat. So what if, for example, the government office would say, your request is understanding, or your request is under consideration, that would be follow. So, malita sa all the others class, no? Never mind that, it's a matter of reading. No? Malita sa prohibited acts and transactions, financial and material interest. So, for example, are you familiar class with bids and awards in the government? Kaya bids and awards committee, they decide as ay award mo sa project sa government. So, for example, kani sila sa akong tubangan, si Max, si Jem, si Sarah, si Rena, how do you say it? Rena. Sila, members sa bids and awards committee. Now they say, okay, kanang bridge ato ni award sa isang construction business. O, isa ka contractor. Pero it turned out na si Rena, ang kanang construction business, di pa nag-iya sa yan pa. That becomes financial interest. That cannot be allowed. Okay? Outside employment, if you're in the government, can you work elsewhere? Okay, hindi na lang ito palayo class. Question. Si Gucci, nasa Comelec, nanong nagtuto sa College of Law. And why do you see him sometimes in court handling